Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of hematology. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as anemia, anemia, anemia. Anemia is crucial in diagnosing and treating blood-related disorders, which results from a deficiency in red blood cells, or hemoglobin, leading to fatigue and weakness. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about anemia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.